Can AI actually make you a better speaker? Today we are testing SlideCoach with a startup founder, Mehmet.
Hey everyone, I'm Mehmet and I'm the co-founder of MarginMap, a startup with the aim to make scenario intelligence accessible to small food manufacturers to prevent stockouts, optimize inventory, and reduce waste. As an entrepreneur, one of the most important skills is to be able to present confidently and convincingly. And that's why today we're going to test SlideCoach.
What is your first impression?
I would say that it's quite user-friendly. It's really easy to understand what's going on, what I need to do to continue with the process. Yeah, I really liked it actually. I think it's quite useful.
How do you usually get feedback before presentation?
First, I practice on my own, like in front of a mirror or something, to see how I look, and also like video record myself and then see it afterwards. And if I have the opportunity, I present to family and friends, and then they give like their feedback. What is good, what's bad, how can I improve it, etc.
What is the biggest difference between this platform and your current way of preparation for presentation?
I would say I will be able to use the platform whenever I want. So it's a plus. I don't need to like arrange times with like my friends. Other than that, I think the feedback and the analysis it provides is quite different. I really like the idea of having a topic on what kind of a pitch is this, and then based on that having some personas who ask questions to you. I think it's quite important to be prepared for the possible questions coming, and I don't think especially if I practice on my own, I don't really have the opportunity to think about the possible questions and then try to come up with answers. So I think it's quite relevant and interesting.
Which statistic on this dashboard do you find the most useful?
I think for me it's the slide-by-slide SlideCoach score, because it shows me not like in general, but like on slide level, the score of that slide, so that it gives me the opportunity to improve it.